The only thing worse than a leaky roof is realizing how easily it could have been prevented in the first place by making the right choices during installation.
The last time the roof was replaced, the old vents weren't replaced. And during Ike, I think, there was leaks, and it turned out it was from the old vents.
Anytime there's a penetration or a break in elevation, whether it's a plumbing pipe, valleys, the ventilation area, anytime there's a hole in the roof somewhere, 90% of the leaks usually occur around one of the penetrations on the roof. Here's what we've taken off of the roof. This is an economy jack, and you can see how small the base is. It's about 1.5 to 2 inches wide. This is a code lead jack. Probably twice the size. If you put them back to back like this, you can see how much larger it is. Okay? That's where the difference is. This part is the same, which conforms to the pipe. It's the base which is the big difference. Here's a piece of starter strip, and this was I refer to as a correct starter. You can see the adhesive strip, which is the shiny black piece. When it's installed, the shingle, the very first shingle, is going to seal down right here on the edge of the roof, because that's where the wind is going to attack it, and it's going to seal down like this. Okay, this is the valley area that we talked about, where we took out the 20-inch wide metal, and it's stuck down right here. You can see when you try to pull it up, as it heats up during the day, it's going to seal down. So then when you put nails in this, in the hot summer, it'll start closing up around that nail, and metal won't do that. Everything looks straight, crisp, things like that. But there's also a lot that goes underneath that roof that tries to prevent exactly what we're talking about, is addressing all those leak areas and making sure those details are done right for the longevity of the roof.
Like so many things around your home, it doesn't pay to skimp on your roof. Better materials installed correctly will prevent leaks for years to come and all the hassles that come with it. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.